Hey guys, thank you for watching. Today another video about the do-it-yourself crawler track build. The last couple of days I've been busy creating a new obstacle. Perhaps you can see it in the background. But let me turn the camera around to show you what I've created. So this is the result. I have created a suspension bridge. I've created a platform and a small steep bridge thing over there. So the suspension bridge, it's pretty easy to make. I just used some small beams, drilled some holes in them and just fed a rope through them. So to get some more spacing, so it's a bit more difficult to overcome, I've used some nuts, as you can see, and some leftover piping to create some more spacings. So all the spacings are not even, they're just a bit more difficult to overcome, but it's doable. And the nicest thing of it, it's very flexible. So you should be very careful going on or off the suspension bridge itself. Otherwise it can be too steep and you can fall off. Serieus? So, when you have cleared the suspension bridge, then you will enter this platform. It's a very small platform, but it's just big enough to make a turn to go on the incline or decline right over there. So you should make a very sharp turn. The best thing to do is put your diff locks off, so you can make a tighter turn and then you're able to do it. So the platform is just supported by a couple of poles which I just put in the ground, and I just used a piece of rope to secure it to the tree itself. So let me walk around to show you the bridge I've created. So the suspension bridge, the platform, and then this steep part over here. So this is fairly easily to make. I just used some big beams to make the base of the bridge itself. Then I just nailed some scrap overs to the beams, and that's it. So they are not at the same spacing again, because then it's a bit more difficult to go up or down this bridge itself. And I just used a couple of screws to secure it to the platform. So I think it turned out pretty nicely, and it is a good addition to the do-it-yourself crawler track build. So guys, thank you for watching. Please stay tuned to my channel. Please subscribe. I will be making a lot more obstacles, and I will show you the progress of doing it. So please stay tuned and see you in the next video. Bye bye.